I want you to look closely. The more blocked this area becomes, the larger the belly tends to get. This area is the sole of the foot. Many people think that as they get older, their belly gets bigger because they eat too much and exercise too little. But the real reason is that this switch has never been turned on. There are 33 key points on the soles of our feet. Once this area becomes blocked, circulation from top to bottom is no longer smooth, and excess buildup starts collecting here. So today, I'm going to teach you a great belly slimming method that's especially suitable for middle-aged and older adults, especially if you're someone whose arms and legs aren't very fat, but your belly is much larger. If this video found you today, it may be the last stop in your search for a way to reduce that belly. This method doesn't require running, jumping, or exhausting workouts, and it doesn't require dieting or eating special fat loss meals. All you need to do is practice this movement for 10 minutes a day at home. Those 10 minutes can feel like an hour of jogging, so don't tell me you don't want to learn it. My uncle used to weigh 170 pounds. He was quite overweight. Using this method, he successfully slimmed down to 125 pounds, and to this day, the weight has not come back. During the entire process, I never asked him to go on a diet or eat fat loss meals because I was worried about nutritional imbalance, and I never asked him to run or jump either. At his previous weight, the risk of injury was simply too high, but he was very disciplined. Every day, he practiced this movement at home for 10 minutes. So what exactly is this method? It's called the foot sole core activation method. Throughout my years of teaching, this has been one of the simplest and most practical methods I've ever taught. It helps stimulate the soles of the feet, while also being one of the fastest and most effective ways to reduce belly fat. Over the years, I've used this method to help hundreds of middle-aged and older adults successfully reduce their large bellies. So now, I'm going to share it with you step by step. Make sure to save this video, and if you know someone who could benefit from it, share it with them, and practice together. First, we need a foot massage roller like this one. It's used as a support tool for the exercise. Once you have it ready, place it under your feet like this. Then, step onto it, and slowly roll forward and backward. Let the rollers massage the entire sole of your foot. After doing this for a short while, you'll notice a gentle warmth spreading through your feet. Little by little, circulation in the soles begins to open up. And once that happens, 3 major benefits appear. The first benefit, it improves circulation throughout the soles of the feet. As circulation improves, the fatigue, heaviness, and soreness that built up throughout the day begin to fade away. Your whole body starts feeling lighter and more comfortable. The second benefit, take a closer look at these rollers. Notice the raised massage points. These textured bumps fit naturally against the feet and help stimulate many important reflex areas. This can be especially helpful for people whose legs feel weak or who feel unsteady when walking. The third benefit, as circulation improves, you'll feel a comfortable stretching sensation throughout your legs. Your calves, thighs, and even your abdomen can begin to relax. That's why middle-aged and older adults don't need complicated workouts. There's no need for fancy exercises. Simply practice this movement every day. It's safe, effective, and easy to stick with. That's the kind of exercise that truly suits older adults. Whether you're sitting at home watching TV, using your phone, or relaxing before bed, you can take out this massage roller and use it for a few minutes. Keep doing it consistently. Then, take another look at the changes in your belly. I believe you'll come back and thank me later. One final reminder. When choosing a massage roller, look for one with 12 rolling wheels, ceramic massage beads, good quality materials, and no unpleasant odor. Choosing the right one makes a big difference, and if you're not sure where to find one, you can visit my live room. I'll show you exactly how to choose and use it properly. And right now, the manufacturer is running a special promotion, so it's a great value.